August 17th, 2022. I got a call from a guy. I worked for him a bunch of times over the years. He's got a problem with AC. He says he thinks it needs a charge. I remember right, he had a first company unit up in the attic and probably a Goodman condenser outside. If I remember right, the pressures are always kind of queer on this thing. Must be mismatched equipment or something going on with it, but he thinks it's low on charge. He changed the filter, he said, and fans running inside. We'll go over there and put our gauges on and see how bad it looks. I know, if I remember right, it was always, the pressures are always questionable on this thing. There's a lot of them out there like that. Just junk equipment, mismatched. Could be the wrong size coil. You know, the shit, you get the shit to work the best you can and you move it on to the next job. Ain't no superhero, Miss Molly. Oh man, ain't no superhero, Miss Molly. I think what I did last year, I think I might have put a board on this first company unit. I think I replaced it, had a burnt board. I might have juiced it up a little bit. Kicked the can down the road type of thing. Try to get you some shots. The filter's changed inside, the fan's inside's running. Oh, looks like I left my thing here last time I was here. We're probably gonna need some gas. It's my, see that superheat at 41. Once it starts coming down. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need to give it a little douche. We'll get some gas. 34, see that's too high. We're gonna bring it down, give it some gas. Give it a little, how you doing? Gas down. Superheat down. Keep an eye on this when this starts dropping. See, it's going to start dropping. This is a little low. Suction line coming back, see how it's dropping. I don't want to put in too much, let's let that ride for a bit. It's a Goodman. And the suction line starting to drop, coming back. So let's let it stabilize. Subcooling's a little high at 19. I'm gonna leave it right there. Leave it right there.